Good morning, mga oldies at lodies. And we're going to Nalalata Falls in Bula. So, we'll see. I hope hindi kami manlata once we reach there. Ganado ah. Iniiwanan ako ah.
A few moments later.
Okay, time check, 6:45. And there is something happened. So I guess we're going to cancel the Nalalata Falls ride. Maybe we're just going, I don't know, somewhere here in Pili. So if there's something happen again, there is already a bike shop there. So it happens again. So we are walking now and looking for someone who can fix our chain. Hanap muna kami ng magkakabit ng ng kadena. Hindi maikabit kasi. Although may dala naman akong kaya lang wala. Hindi maikabit eh. Pinapadugtong lang muna namin yung kadena. Basta madugtong lang. Lakad kami, lakad. Maghahanap kami ng bike shop para idugtong yung kadena namin. Yung kadena na gamit ni Olof.
A few moments later.
So, finally, the chain is fixed. And I guess the problem is my missing link. The missing link that I have is 11 speed and his bike is 9 speed. So I thought it will work, but it's not. So now we're just going to go to Pili and come back. Dito na kami ni Olof dadaan para hindi na traffic, tapos para maiba naman kasi hindi na kami natuloy dun sa Bula sa may Nalalata kasi nga yun nga may di inaasahan na nangyari. So me and Olof maybe will look only for a coffee shop, maybe drink some coffee and then go home because he has only 1 hour and a half left. He need to be back at 9 o'clock and it's already 8 o'clock, so 1 hour. We still have 1 hour. Unfortunately, our trip is cancelled. Yeah. We're supposed to go to Nalalata Falls. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. They're fixing most of the road now here in Pili. So, yun. Mga oldies at lodies. Malapit na kami. So, hanggang dito na lang ulit itong mga oldies at lodies. Hindi na kami natuloy sa Nanalata Falls kasi yun nga, nagkaroon kami ng konting issue. Naputol yung kadena. Pero nagawa naman, kaya lang medyo late na. So, masyado na kaming tatanghaliin. Kasi may lakad si Olof ng 9 o'clock. So, kailangan makabalik kami ng 9 o'clock. Abot sana kung hindi kami nagkaroon ng ng issue sa kadena. Pero shout out kay Philip na tumulong sa amin magkabit ng naputol na kadena. Nagtatrabaho si PNC, si Partido Rice Mill. Galing pa siya ng Magaraw. So everyday nagbabike siya papili para pumasok. So shout out sa'yo, Idol Philip. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi namin magagawa kaagad yung namin, yung train. Yeah. So Buti may dala kang mga tools. So maraming salamat sa'yo. Isa kang Lodi. Okay mga oldies at lodies. Hanggang dito na lang to. Ayun. Kung meron pang time, baka makasama pa daw sa Saturday si Olo. Pero kung wala, pabalik na rin kasi siya eh. Pabalik na sila. Hanggang sa susunod na lang uli. Okay.